Hey, what's up, radio? Welcome to episode number 19 here on season 2. And today we are getting into breaking 1,000 subscribers and a silver giveaway. Like 1,000 subscribers. Like literally 1,000. What? Today. Just to give you a little bit of a run in from the side, like what the heck? Just to give you a little rundown on the channel, at episode 100, I was at 311 subscribers, and at episode 158, when I did the last silver giveaway, I was at 500 subscribers and had just passed basically 100,000 views. As of today, the channel sits at 1,012 subscribers, and tomorrow we will eclipse 150,000 views. And in 24 more videos, the YouTube channel will eclipse 500 total videos. Crazy stuff. Just it's so crazy. I know it's impossible for me to sit here and thank every single person that subscribed, and it would just be a ridiculously long episode, or for me to personally contact every single one of you and say thank you. So if I could, I would, on behalf of everybody on the Creatives Corner team, my wife, my son, and me, I just want to say thank you on behalf of all of us. It means a lot. You guys are the foundation, and I feel like I say that way too much, but I can't say it enough. Thank you. I basically, at 500 subscribers, I committed myself to giving an ounce of silver away at every additional 500 subscribers. So we are at another 500 subscribers, and so I will be giving away another ounce of gold. Not gold. And that would be like way more than this. An ounce of silver. This is from Silvertown. It's a privately owned company. It's a 0.991 troy ounce. Right now it probably goes for about $17 or so. I think if you hold it for the next year or two, it'll probably be back up to around 20, maybe 22, maybe even higher than that. We'll see what the price of silver actually does moving forward. Let's get into the more important stuff on how I actually, like if you're sitting there and you're like, hey coach, I want some silver. How do I enter? This is the important stuff. This is how you enter. So the most important way to enter is to make sure that you comment in the description, not in the down below the actual video. You're going to be answering the question of the day. If you want to get like extra brownie points, which means that no more entries, just I guess kudos or something, you can like the video, make sure that you're subscribed to the video, and hit the bell notification. I guess that's important. And then share the video if you would like, but none of those will actually get you more entries. The only entry that will get you is if you comment in the description. In the down below, comment in the down below the question of the day. And I will answer the question of the day first, and then leave it up to you guys to answer the question of the day. From there, I'll come out with a video in about a week. So we'll run this thing for a week, and then I'll come out with a video announcing the winner of the silver. We'll get in contact, move forward, I'll ship it out to you, all that kind of stuff. Let's go ahead and get into it. Question of the day: how many chickens would it take to kill an elephant? Just think about that. That's a lot of chickens. Personally, the answer to that question, what I believe is, it would take 2,000 pounds of chickens to kill an elephant. 2,000 pounds of caged chickens to crush an elephant. What I would do is utilize the chickens to become one massive weight and somehow helicopter flight it up and then drop it and then boom, pop. That's how I would go about that. That's what I believe. If you're like one chicken, I'd like to know how. Anyways, like I was saying, if you have any questions regarding Stash, Acorns, Robinhood, as well as general investing advice, business, Etsy, coaching, post those questions down below, and I will try to get them on the next episode. But don't forget to subscribe up here and check out my Stash recap, December edition. Check out this other video right here. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.